Ghana!
People who visit Ghana.
Ghana! Ghana! That's what Ghana!
Yeah, enjoying no. Waterfall. Hey, this old man, what is he doing there? Massage. You can see.
Massage in Ghana.
Wow.
At the waterfall. Please come as soon as you can. Rastafari.
Now massage you. Massage is going on in Ghana, right? Best massage they are giving people here in Ghana.
My name is Esther. I am from California.
People are coming from different places to take massage. Now you can see in the video, right?
And I'm glad that I'm here to celebrate this. I got my.
Thank you.
Okay, my name's Kelly. I'm coming from
Miami.
in America. I think this massage was a 10 out of 10.
Wow.
You guys have to come. When you come to Accra, Ghana, make sure you call my boy here. He will hook you up in front of this beautiful waterfall. So call him.
Massage you. When they give you strong massage, you sleep well. Ghana cautious.
Well, welcome to Legacy Garden.
Ghana.
This is our humbly dwelling. Thank you again for all the love you have shown us, especially for our little school at this spelling.
This is Jamaica. Come to Ghana. Now, Popcaan is in Ghana right now. Popcaan.
Afi yes sir. Na yes sika. And I'm 1 man school. Ejuma oye ohia bambo. Otonyum zema adesa. Won't say what is this? One ban, I was in the it was well. And I know my wolf, how you want. Yeah.
That is the traditional in Ghana for the ancestors.
Bobo man.
Alright, Bobo man.
Yo, Bobo man?
Yeah, man, I'm Bobo man.
Tell you where I
Yeah, in Ghana.
Yeah. 247 Cape Coast, Wild World, you know. MC Johnny Blaze alongside on Rolling Boss. We do special tour in a Cape Coast Castle, you know, you see me? Yeah. All the Jamaicans, they have to come home, you know? Yeah, home is home.
Mean all the Jamaicans,
Yo.
they're from Ghana automatically. All of them, they're from Ghana.
You see me? Yeah, man.
Now, I hear what he's saying. You see all the Jamaicans to come back home. I mean, they're all from Ghana.
A billion against salute. Push.
When you're in Jamaica, just know say you are from Ghana automatically. And he's telling you to come back home. Wherever you do around the world, he's telling you to come back home.
Call the name Nana Tabil. Yeah.
Nana Tabil.
Nana Tabil, that is the name.
Yes.
Yeah.
Repeat it again.
Nana
Tabil.
Tabil. Nana Tabil. Yeah.
It's still the give.
A solo moment at a place of deep history. We remembered walking through the history, carrying the strength of those who came before us. Whatever the achievement that we have now, our ancestors laid a foundation for us to climb into their shoulders. So we appreciate them. Ashe.
Yeah. I wish you was here today, bro.
Yeah, man.
As you can see,
Look at things here, you know. Remembrance too.
see, RP to the Ghana. Now, Ghana, this is the white cooking bangu. Yes, what he's doing there is a bangu, right? Turning bangu, but it's. Now we're talking about Popcaan International Airport. It's trending right now. The changing of the name to Popcaan International Airport.
Remove Kotoka's name from there. So if you come to Accra or even in the country, how many prominent Voltarians have their names on national assets or national monuments? This is the only thing the people of Volta region can also at least see as something that recognizes heroism from the Volta region. And that one
they are taking it off.
They are being denied. Well, Honorable Kwame Abuja is from Volta. Honorable Okucheto Blakwa, he's from Volta and is sitting in cabinet. Honorable Fifi Kwete is the General Secretary of NDC from Volta region. Honorable Ahiafo, he is the first Deputy Speaker in this government from Volta region. Honorable Kwame Eche, the Femeko, Majority Chief with from Volta region. And they are all sitting down, watching the government to take away a Voltarian's name, which has been given to our airport, and successive governments never made any attempt to change it. And in this time and age, they are from Volta, and they are in the government, and they are watching Volta to lose its pride. It's up to them.
Okay.